What's going on, Gary here? If you're watching this video, chances are you're doing your research on a website called Remotasks. Maybe you want to know exactly how this works, how much you can actually expect to earn, what you're expected to earn, and much, much more. Well, you're in the right place, my friend, because I've been online the last 5 years. I've reviewed hundreds of websites just like this one. And as you follow me throughout this video, I'm going to answer all those questions and more. So by the end of the video, you can make an informed decision on whether you want to do this or maybe go somewhere else and find something better. So I'm on the site right now, and this site basically pays you to complete tasks. Now, I've covered a lot of other websites that, pay you to complete surveys and things like this. This is more like people are actually hiring you, okay? So companies are actually going to pay you to transcribe things, to, post on social media, things like that, okay? Now, they have a community of over 240,000 taskers, and they've paid out $15 million in total earnings. Now, I want to just cut to the chase first off and say that this site is actually legitimate. Okay, I've covered a lot of sites in the past that are scams. They promise to pay you. You never actually get the money. Remotasks have been around for a long time now. They're very established, and it's actually a legitimate site. Now, if I go down here, okay, basically what they say you can do is you learn how to do the tasks, okay? So they'll actually teach you through online courses, okay, or free hands-on training. So they're actually going to train you. A lot of these tasks you don't have to already know how to do. You can, just come in and learn how to do them very simply. And I will say, though, that if you start to take these exams, okay, so once you go through the training, you'll take an exam. If you don't pass those exams or you don't do that well, they may start to limit the amount of tasks you can take on, okay? So you want to make sure if you do decide to do this, you want to go through the exams, make sure you pass it, and then you can start to have more tasks. Now, again, once you have those projects unlocked, as it says right here, you'll start to get tasks on a pretty consistent basis that you can actually complete, and you're actually going to get paid in USD, okay, United States dollars, every week. And what they're going to do is they're going to pay you either in a PayPal or AirTM, okay, based on your quality and the number of tasks complete. Now, another benefit of this is there's no prior experience. Like I said, they will actually train you. So, if you're looking to do tasks, if you have some time in the day, you can actually do this as a potential option. But the main question you may be wondering is it worth doing for the amount of money you're going to make? And how much money can you actually make doing this? Well, that's what I want to share with you. And that's what a lot of people complain about with this website. On average, what most people earn is about $1.50 per hour, okay? Now, in my opinion, studying tons of different ways to make money online, reviewing tons of other opportunities and companies, that is incredibly low, okay? Now, if you think about $1.50, right, and maybe you work 7 hours a day, that's only $7, okay, a day that you're generating. $7 a day. Now, maybe you're in a country where, $7 seems like a lot, but for most people, that's incredibly low, okay? You can't travel the world. You can't quit a job off $7. You can't even barely buy a meal at McDonald's for $7, okay? So you're spending hours in the day doing these tasks, and you're earning shockingly low, right? Now, you're probably watching this video, though, because you are looking for a legit way to make money. You're looking for a way to actually start to make money without spending hours on your computer, without trading a massive amount of effort and time to make a lot more. And that's where I was at about 5 years ago. I remember I was working as a waiter. I was slaving away on my feet all day. I was making very low money. And I really wanted to be able to work from home, quit my job, and just do the things I love to do with the people I love doing it with. And I turned to the computer. I started going to YouTube. I watched different reviews of different companies and programs. And what I unfortunately found often is they promise the world, but they never actually deliver. So you invest your money or your time, and you never actually get to make that life-changing income. It wasn't until I still remember I came across the guy on YouTube. And as I watched this video very closely, he shared a business model with me that I'll never forget. It was something called affiliate marketing. It was the idea that you could find products online that are already created, already selling well. You find people that are interested, and when you put those people together, you make money. And the beautiful thing about affiliate marketing is there's no limit, okay? Where this is about $1.50 per hour, you can literally make up to $1,000 per referral, okay, per commission. Now, if you're watching this and that sounds good, I want to invite you to a free training. There's going to be a link directly below this video. When you click that link, you put your best email on that page. I'm going to send you a private email for you to a free training. That training is taught by one of my good business partners. He's going to break down the entire model of affiliate marketing, how to find good products, how to actually get people to those products so you can start to make life-changing income. Okay, so all in all, Remotask, is it legit? Yes. Can you actually make money with it? Yes. Do I recommend it? No. Okay, and again, for many reasons, one of them being just the amount of effort for the very little payoff. Okay, I mean, even if you just wanted to do tasks, there's a lot higher paying sites out there that will pay you more per hour than Remotasks. Okay, so I hope you got value in this video. If you share a similar experience, or maybe you've tried Remotasks and you can verify what I'm saying, be sure to comment below. I'd love to read that. Also, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon. I'm going to be doing more reviews in the future. Not just things to avoid, actually good things online, because there are good opportunities out there. And again, last but not least, if you're looking for life-changing income, if you're looking to actually start making money, spending an hour a day, not 7 hours a day, and making very little, go down below, click that link, check out that free training. You're going to see case studies. You're going to see testimonials of people that have applied that training. It's absolutely incredible. And it's my #1 recommendation after 5 long years online. So I hope you got value, my friend. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.